Masterclass. I'm Darcy Franklin. Obviously, I did methods last year. I did pretty well in methods. I got a 96 total, 46 for the external, 50 for internals. I think the actual external isn't too bad, so I don't think you guys should stress too much. But yeah, just make sure you know all the content and everything. So before the exam, there's a few strategies. Again, you definitely heard this a million times, but time management. So I would allocate appropriate time to each question based on the marks. So a multiple choice is only worth 1 mark. Don't spend 5 minutes on multiple choice unless you have extra time at the end. As well as review your answers as well if you're not too sure, if you have extra time. I would spend roughly maybe 2 minutes on multiple choice, 4 on short answer, 5 on long answer. Yeah, roughly around that. Okay, so tips I would give multiple choice, just immediately eliminate definite wrong answers, because as soon as you get rid of that, those easy wrong answers, it just make it easier on you. And if you don't actually know the answer, it's more like a 50-50 rather than a quarter chance of getting it right. All right, short answers. Short answer and long answer, there actually are no half marks. If I assume you know that if you've done specialists in general already, but there are no half marks at all. So, which is kind of good and kind of bad. If you show the actual formula, you might even get a full mark for that. So yeah, just remember to show formulas and everything. All right, we'll move on to Unit 3, Topic 1, and this is, I believe, logarithmic functions. All right, you guys did this way earlier in the year. So consider the graph. Which graph best represents the function? I'll give you guys a good 2 minutes for this. Just remember that I'll be answering all the questions after I show the questions. So maybe have like a spare page, write everything down on a page, and then I'll say the answers afterwards, yeah? I'll give you guys some tips as well with these. So yeah, tune in later as well. I'll give you guys another minute for this. All right. Maybe another 10 seconds, 15 seconds. This question is pretty easy. It's pretty simple. All right, that's it. Are you guys good to go on the next question, or? Yeah, the PowerPoint's going to be available. If you want me to share answers, I can supply answers to the PowerPoint as well. I'll supply both. How about that? Yeah. All right, we'll move on to the next question. All right, so another logarithmic function, bit of algebra this time. I'll give you guys roughly 3 minutes for this one.
Sorry, I'm here to butt in for a bit. A lot of people are asking if it's tech-free or tech-active. Just assume it's all like tech-free.
Okay. Assume it's tech-free. I will tell you if it's tech-active. The questions you could probably tell if they're tech-active or not, but I will tell you in advance. All right, I'll give you guys 1 more minute for this. So yeah, you guys shouldn't spend too much time on these types of questions. They are worth 3 marks, like they're worth a few marks, but they're not the hardest questions, and they're like are way more questions that are 5 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks. So you can't answer this like almost immediately. Maybe just look at the next question. All right, another 30 seconds. All right, well, is everyone good for the next question? How much time should we allocate for each mark? It depends. Sometimes you'll get questions worth 5 marks that are a lot more simpler than the 3 mark questions. If you saw the 2023 external, there was a 4 mark question that was way harder than every other question. So it's kind of just interpret it. Try and aim and spend more time on the bigger mark questions, obviously. But it's just kind of just gauge that, yeah. All right, we'll move on to the next one. All right, so Unit 3, Topic 2, this is all about the start of like differentiation. So if you remember the rule here for this one, then yeah. I'll give you guys probably 2 minutes to do this one because it's also not that bad. I'll give you guys 1 minute for this one. All right, you guys down to move on to the next question? I'll check the chat. Oh, you're good. Just do a bunch of yeah. So I'm gonna do the questions. I'm gonna show you guys the questions first, and then answer them afterwards. You guys good to move on the next one? I'll get a few more yeses, and then we'll move on. 1 more minute. Okay, I'll give you guys a bit more time for this one. It is way more complicated than the first one, but it is also tech free. So this is one of those questions that if you can't get it instantly, then maybe move on a little bit. All right, you're good. Simplifying is the hard part. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, denominator is kind of a giveaway. That's what I mean. It shouldn't take too long for that one. All right, so this is also tech free. So let's do this one as well. I'm not too sure, but you can do this one tech free pretty easily. So we'll try tech free. All right. I'll give you guys 1 more minute for this question. Okay, are you guys good to go? Mixing question. Yeah, it does look like related rates. It's not that bad though. All right. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. So this is a calculator question. Yeah. I'll give you guys 1 minute for this question. It's fine if you. It's honestly fine if you get it wrong because before my exam I didn't actually know that you could do this on a calculator. What you have to do here. All right, I'll give you guys 10 more seconds, and then I'm going to move on. Okay, is everyone good to go? I got the right answer. You did it wrong, but you got the right answer. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah, for different calculators. Oh, well, I'm not too sure, but for different calculators, there are different methods. So, with my calculator, I'll teach you. I have the FXCG50. I'm not too sure if it's the same with every calculator. Yeah, yeah. It's very simple with that calculator. I'm not too sure about other ones though. All right, we'll move on to the next one. You can use calculator for this one. I'll let you guys use calculator. I'll give you guys another 3 minutes for this one. 3 or 4 minutes. I'll give you guys. All right, give you guys another 2 minutes for this one. One more minute. Okay. Are you guys good to move on to the next question? How do you mean the answer to that one? In case you can say. Yeah, okay, cheers. I'll check it afterwards, yeah. All right, you guys good to go? Just a few more yeses and 1 minute. Nah, that's fine. Okay. Just keep. I'm not too sure exactly when your methods exam is. Keep the question myself. Just keep practicing these types of questions because this actually might be a non-calculator. I'm not too sure. Morning in Arvo. It's Friday. Nah, that's actually shocking. I think Jojo. When did we have it? Did we have it on Monday? Yeah. The Monday was pretty good. We had I think we had general and spec the week before that, and then we got the weekend to practice. So it was pretty good for us. And then we had I think like another 2 weeks to practice physics, which is like not that bad. It was pretty easy. All right, we'll move on to the next question. So this is Unit 3, Topic 3. This is where we start learning about integrals. I'll give you guys 4 minutes of this one. Jojo, do you know if this is calculated or not, this one?
I don't know. I'd assume.
No, can you?
I don't know. Where did I get that from? I mean, look, my math teacher told me, try doing it tech free, and if it gets too hard, just do it tech active. But I don't know if that's a good thing to say.
That's a bit scuffed.
I don't know. Can you do it tech free? I mean, yeah, you can.
I'll try to.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a go. I mean, this isn't that bad. Okay. Oh. Determine fx. Where? Just, yeah, if you can do it tech free, just do that. I'm not too sure about this one. All right, I'll give you guys another 3 minutes. This is a tougher one, so. Oh, I probably should have got a better question, Jojo. I ain't gonna lie.
Sorry, I can try and find where I got it from. It'll just take me a bit. I think this is from a past paper. No, I can look for it.
You sure?
I'll
No,
look
it
for
should be fine.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
should be
I
fine.
can. I can. No, trust. I
Okay,
can.
okay. I'll give you guys another minute for this one.
It'll give me okay, if I find out, I'll let you know.
Yeah, you're right. Cheers. Okay. I mean, this isn't that bad. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Probably send me the answers to that one, Jojo. All right. We get to move to the next one. Yep. Yep. Okay. Cool. Yep. All right. Perfect. Okay. Unit 4, Topic 1: Further differentiation. So double derivatives and double integration. So I'll give you guys a good minute for this one. Just 1 minute. It's not that hard. Thirty more seconds. Moving on to the next one. You guys good to move on to the next one? Yep. Yep, right. Monomo high. All right. Trigonometric functions, bearings. So this had a few different formulas in that. You did this stuff in like grade 10 as well. In grade 11, I believe. I'll give you guys another like 20 seconds for this one. Like this will be tech free if you get it. All right. Good to move on. Good to move on. Show you guys a bit more. I'll give you guys another 20 seconds then. Yeah. All right. We'll move on from this. We'll move on from this one. If you want to just say if you need if you still need time, yeah. If you still need time, just message. All right, I'm moving on. Okay. Unit 4, Topic 2, Question 2. Vertical mast. AD, the height 20 meters is supported by 2 cables attached to the ground at C and B as shown in the diagram. Angle CAB is a right angle. Cable CD is of length 40 meters and cable BD is of length 30 meters. So you have to find the angle ABC to the nearest degree. I'll give you guys like another minute for this one. All right, one more minute. Oh, sorry, maybe 20 more seconds. All right, we'll move on to the next one. So this is where we start getting into discrete random variables. All these questions are, well, majority of them calculator. I'm not too sure if this one is or not. Assume it's not. The mean number of...
No, that one's tech active.
Is it definitely tech active? It definitely is.
Yes,
Okay.
it's tech active.
I haven't done this one. I wasn't too sure about this one.
Sorry to butt in. I found the answers to that integration one before. They did it tech free, but I'm pretty sure you can do it tech active as well. I don't think it really matters. But no, you really need the calculator for that one.
This is one of the ones I didn't do. Okay, I'll give you guys like a few more minutes to this one. 3 more minutes. Juju, do you have the answers for this as well?
Yeah, I do.
All right. Do you mind sending them over? Okay. Give you guys another 2 minutes. One more minute. By the way, after we answer all these questions, if you want to send me some more questions to help you guys, that's completely fine. Yeah. We'll cover some more questions if you need them. All right, we'll move on to the next one. You guys good to move on? Doing C? All right. We'll give you another minute. Okay, we'll move on. You guys good? Okay, we'll move on. Yeah, we'll move on. All right, continuous random variables. Again with your calculator. I'll give you guys 30 seconds for this one, and then I'll move on. All right, we'll move on to the next one. That one's not too bad. All right, so Unit 4, Topic 5, interval estimates for proportions. So each year, the Year 7 class from Green High School visits a theme park. 100 of the students decided to go on the monster roller coaster, and 10 of them complained of feeling dizzy afterwards. So you got to find the value of the sample proportion. A, run expression for the 95% confidence interval for the likelihood of feeling dizzy. And then you got to find the margin of error for that. Sorry, and also for D, if only 50 people had decided to go on the roller coaster, what would be the effect on the margin of error?
Do you want the answers for that?
No, I've got the answers.
Okay.
No, Jojo, this question's not too bad. There's just a lot of parts. This is also, you can use a calculator for this one. I'll give you guys one more minute for this. All right. So yeah, that's all done for that. We won't do any more questions just yet. I'll answer the questions that we just covered. So let me just join on my iPad. Just give me 1 minute, yeah. Um, okay. Yeah, we'll move on to that. All right, we're going to do the answers now. Not too bad. Oh, my bad. My bad, just 1 sec. Trying to send a link over. Jojo?
Yeah, what's up?
Does this go straight to, where does that go?
Where?
The link I sent you.
It tells me to log in on Microsoft.
Tells you to log in. That's not fun.
Yeah.
Maybe new section 2? Oh, it'd be new section 2, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, don't look at any of that. That's like whack stuff. All right. Let's go over this. I'm just going to delete. All right. So first question. Go to the first question first. What was the first question? All right, so this is the first question. So immediately, like, we can see that the graph, it's a logarithmic graph. We can see that it's going through. So the x-intercept is at x equals 12. So immediately we can sub that in to all the equations. So x equals 12 when y equals 0. So we can just sub those two in. If they don't equal each other, then it's not the right formula. So we'll sub that into the first equation. So we'll sub in x equals 12. So y equals log 2, 12 take 4, take 3. So if you simplify that, it becomes log 2, 8, take 3. And then based on log laws, you can do log... Oh, is it updating, Jojo? Is it updating? Oh, wait, it's not. Wait, my bad. Oh, it hasn't updated. Just one sec. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let me just redo this real quick. So based on the formulas, based on the graph as well, we could see that when x equals 12 when y equals 0. So basically y equals, we just sub that into all the equations until it works. That's one way of doing it. Probably the easiest way of doing it. So log 2, this is the first one. 12 take 4, take 3. And then that simplifies to y equals log 2, 8, take 3. And that can also be written as log 2, 2 to the power of 3, take 3. And based on log laws, we can actually bring the 3 out to the front of the log and make that log 2, 2, take 3. And log 2, 2, log 1, 1, it's always equal to just 1. So 3 times 1, take 3, which just equals 0. So therefore, that's the right answer. For that question is A, yeah. Because when x equals 12, y equals 0. That's basically it. All right, we'll move on to the next one. So ln x, let me rewrite this. ln x plus ln x plus 1 ln 48 take L2 ln 2. Was that the question? Yeah. Okay, cool. So immediately from that, just simplify the question. So 2 plus ln. Oh, you want to get everything to be natural log. 1 equals ln 48 take ln 2 to the 2. Jojo, is the stream still working?
Hi, yeah, what's up?
Yeah. Sorry, the stream's still working, yeah?
Yeah, I can see
Yeah,
it.
okay. I wasn't too sure. Yeah, the lights just went out for a sec.
Okay.
Okay. And then from that, ln x times those together, so you get ln plus 1 equals ln 48 take ln 4. That equals ln x squared plus x, which equals ln 48 on 4. That just simplifies to x squared plus x equals 12. Then you can take the 12 from the right to the left. X squared plus x take 12 equals 0. And then you can find two values that multiplied together equal negative 12, added together equals x. So from that, x plus 4, x take 3, and that equals 0. And based on null factor law, we know x plus 4 equals 0, or x take 3 equals 0. Therefore, x equals negative 4, or x equals 3 for that question. All right, so that's all the working for that question. Take a screenshot if you want, up to you. We'll supply the working afterwards anyway, so that's fine. All right, so next question was this. Very simple question, actually. I think it's not too hard. Where is it? All right, here we go. So y equals square root of x on ln x. So we have to derive that. Was it derive? Yeah, so derive that. So you just do the UV rule. That's one way of doing it. So u equals square root of x, u dash equals, that equals x to the power of 1 and 2. That equals x to the power of negative 1 on 2, 1 on 2, which just equals 1 on 2 root x. And then v, we'll do v underneath it. I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay. V equals ln x, therefore v dash equals 1 on x. Okay, so the rule for the derivative of y, given the u and v rule, the quotient rule, we do y dash equals vu dash take uv dash on v squared. And that just equates to ln x u 1 on 2 root x take u, which is just root x, and then v dash, which is 1 on x. And then you can just do ln x squared. So based on this, and based on the answers provided, you can already tell what the answer is going to be. You only have one ln x on the left side, so you can't actually simplify anything here. So based on the answers, 1 and 2, ln x, take 2 out, 2 ln x. Yeah, so you can just simplify this. That just equals one sec. All right, so based on that, we know it has to either be C or D, because you have ln x squared on the bottom, and that can't really get removed anywhere. So we'll just simplify this a bit. Could just get 1 on 2 root x. I'm just going to do it the long way. ln x take root x. Oh, my bad. X on x. Yeah, that's right. On x squared. It's a bit high because I have to keep switching between the answers and not. Take 1 by x squared. Times times x times root of x. Well, I'm pretty sure I did it right here. Jojo, do you have the working for this one as well?
Wait, which one? Sorry.
Unit 3, topic 2, question.
Oh, okay. Wait, I'll have a look for it, but it might take me a bit. I'll have a look.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
How about you just keep going? I'll let you know when I get the answer. I'll just type it.
yeah, okay.
Okay, one sec.
I'm just verifying it here. Just one minute. 1, 2. Yes. So it just becomes 1 on root x. And from that, you can kind of factor out the x's here on ln x squared. You factor out the root of x. So that becomes 1 on root x equals 1 on 2 ln x. And then take 1 on ln x squared. And from that, haven't shown
I got the answer. What was your answer? Sorry.
What was it? Should be C.
Yeah, the answer's C.
Yeah. I can't scroll down any further. There we go. Okay, and from that you can just move the root x to the bottom, and you get 1 on 2 ln. Take 1 on root x ln x squared. Yeah, there's a bit of working there. Obviously, it shouldn't take that long. You can already identify basically with the whole quotient rule that it's going to be ln x on the bottom.
You gave them 1 minute.
Yeah, I know I gave them 1 minute, all right? I gave them 1 minute, all right? But I'm trying to explain it. I'm trying to explain why. There's an easy way of doing it where you already know it's going to be C or D when you do quotient rule. And then you know it can't be D because where does the root x go? It just can't get removed. So it has to be C. I was just over-explaining it. My bad. All right, we'll do the next question. What's the next question? All right, this is tech-free. You can do it. It might be tech-active on the actual exam, but we're going to just do it tech-free here. Okay. Okay. Let me rewrite this for you guys. All right, dv on dt equals 2 take 1 on 3t plus 1. Find v in first 3 hours. So basically, you just want to integrate it so you get v. So v equals integration of 3, 0 which represents the first 3 hours, 2 take 1 on 3t plus 1. You can split this into 2 functions. Might make it a bit easier. So you get 3, 0, 2, take 3, 0, 1 on 3t plus 1. And that's dt, which equals 2t, 3, 0, take, bring, I mean, you could do an extra step here. Yeah, I'll do an extra step. 3, 0, 3 on 3t plus 1 dt, which equals 2t, 3, 0, take 1 on 3, ln 3t plus 1. Three, 0. You just do some algebra. You just finish the integral, definite integral. 2, 3, take 2, 0. 1 on 3, ln. Yeah, you're just going to sub the values in. That's probably where you get the mistake. If it's calculator, this will most likely be a calculator question. Probably based on actually doing it now, which is much more simpler than this. Okay, plus 1, take ln 3, 0 plus 1. That just simplifies to 8, take 1 on 3, ln 7. Oh yeah, this is probably going to be a calculator question. My bad. Take ln 0, which equals 8 take 1 on 3, ln 7 take, ln 1. Take 0, which just equals 8 take 1 on 3, ln 7. I'm just going to plot that in the calculator.
Wait, are you sure it's 8?
6, sorry. 6. I was doing to the power.
Yeah,
my bad. Yeah, my bad. I was doing 2 to the power of 3, not 2 times 3. There you go. 1 on 3, ln 7. So from that, you should get... Let me just put this straight in the calculator. Integral. Take... yeah, okay. You should get like roughly B, like around there. I got lit because I did it. I did it a bit differently, but you get roughly B. So yeah, answer here should be B. All right, this question was calculator, not too bad. I have a FXCG50, so this is for anyone who has that. I'm not too sure how it works on other calculators, but all you have to do is go to your graph. Then you press, where is it? One sec. Then you press, my bad, it's just, then you press option and then press calc, which is F2. Then you press, it should come up with D on DX. So you press that and then you plot, you just put that function in it. So you put x squared ln x, take e to the power of negative 6x. and then you just put in x equals 3. It should have a value for when x equals 3. So then you draw that, and you can just do gsolve and then do ycal, and then put any value of x. You just got to fix your view window as well. And you should get roughly D. You should get 9.59, like basically on the dot. 9.516, 5916. All right, we'll move on to the next question. So a particle travels along a straight line for 37 seconds until it reaches an endpoint located at x equals 0. The function describes the placement of the particle in meters, where t represents time in seconds. The domain of the function is 0 to 37. The acceleration function of the particle is second derivative of displacement, which equals 1 on 2t plus 1 squared. If the velocity of the particle is initially negative 0.5 meters squared, determine the particle's displacement function. All right. Where is it? Okay. 6. Okay, so x, zoom in, dash dash, t, so x dash dash t, yep, equals 1 on 2t plus 1 squared. And so that's an acceleration right now, so you want to integrate that. So x dash t, well, that also equals just 2t plus 1 power of negative 2. So then integrate that, you bring the new power to the bottom, and you bring the thing in the bracket to the bottom as well. So it becomes 2t plus 1 to the power of negative 1 on negative 1 times 2. And from that, you should get, well, you bring the 2t plus 1 to the power of negative 1, bring that to the bottom, so you get 1 on 2t plus 1, which is plus c. Oh, well, I should do the whole integration function, my bad. Integration of x dash dash t, which equals integration of 2t plus 1. Okay, and then that equals that, and then that equals that, plus c. And then you can just expand those brackets. So 1 on 4t plus 2 plus c. And that equals x dash. Oh, it's not showing. X dash t. Okay, so we know the initial, as the question states, if the velocity of the particle is initially negative 0.5. So what we can do is actually sub in x dash t. Has it updated yet? Hasn't updated. Let me just reload the page.
Hi, someone's asking why you got rid of the negative on the denominator.
The negative? No.
Yeah.
You're not. Yeah, you're not. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you sub in negative 0.5 equals negative 1 on 4t plus 2 plus c. Oh, t is also 0 there because it's initial. 0. So from that, you get 0.5 equals negative 1 on 2 plus c. You get 0 equals c. So from that, you just sub c, 0 equals c, into the velocity equation, and you get, it's not showing. plus 0, g equals -1 equals -1 on 4t plus 2. So then from that, you need to determine the particle's displacement function. So you just got to integrate it again. So now, it also initially describes the displacement function. Oh, okay, that's fine. All right, so and integrate that. So xt equals x integral of x dash t, which equals integral of -1 on 4t plus 2. So that just equals, you can do ln here. Like ln's fine. Bring the -1 out. Oh, we'll do it in different steps. -1 on 4t plus 2. You also have to put 4 at the top. So you do -1 on 4. Judges, do you have the answers for these as well?
What question is this? Sorry, I'm like doing bio right now.
That's fine.
Wait, what question is it? I can have a look.
Unit 3, topic 3, integrals.
Okay, I'll have a look for it. It'll take me a bit. If you want to just move on, I'll tell you the answer later.
No, I'm fine. Yeah, no, I'm fine. So that equals that. dt. You gotta put dt, just remember that. It's really easy to lose marks there. dt. Let me see my bad. Equals -1 on 4 ln 4t plus 2. And then from the question, it says a particle travels along a straight line for 37 seconds until it reaches an endpoint located at x equals 0. So plus c. So from that, we know that when x equals 0, t equals 37. So we can just sub that in. So x equals 0, -1 on 4. Yeah, Jojo, could you send me the answer for this one? Because I'm not too sure if you need to find an actual value or not, or just leave it in terms of ln. I assume you just leave it in terms of ln, which is fine.
Wait, what topic is it from again? I forget.
Yeah,
3 topic 3. Okay, I'll have a look. I think this is Nate. Wait, let me look.
Is the c value a ln value, natural log? Jojo, can you ask if anyone's can you see if anyone's asking any questions? So I'm just reviewing to see if this is right now.
There's no questions being asked.
Okay, cheers. Jojo, do you have the answers for that one or no?
No, I still can't find it. Just move on and I'll find it. Trust. Sorry.
Okay. I'll move on from that one, but let me just finish the actual question. Equals 1 on 4. ln 150. Just check to see if what I have, Jojo, is right. Yeah. Oh, no, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Anyway, we'll move on to the next one. I'll go back to that one a little bit after. Okay. Given that f dash x equals e to the power of 3x take 1 on 3 take 2x, and f x equals 1 equals e to the power of 3 on 3 plus 1, determine fx. Okay. So I've gotten this question written down already. Yeah. It's a bit messy. Let me fix that up. All right, these are what we have. Let me just fix that up. All right, so to get, you got to integrate that. Just integrate e3x, take 1 on 3, take 2x, which just equals, you got to do dx here as well. e3x on 3, take, well, we'll just skip the ln step here because I'm not too sure if you actually get any marks for doing that. We'll just skip to have ln. Oh, no, we'll do it normal. e3x take integral of 1 on 3 take 2x dx dx equals e3x on 3 take, I'm going to bring out -2 here, so take 2 take 2 take 1 on 2 2 on 2. That should be x dx. I'll just come back from that one. Plus 1 on 2 plus c. Okay, and then sub in 1 x fx equals that.
Wait, sorry, I'm just intervening. I think someone had a question about that one. They said fx does not equal that, by the way. He knows it's f of 1. For the, I think, I don't know, I haven't really been watching. Because I'm trying to figure out where the question is. The function on the right-hand side, apparently.
Yeah.
Not that.
Oh.
Wait, it is. I think it is that one.
Yeah, there we go.
Does that make sense? Because I'm not really.
I don't really.
It was written with f of x.
Yeah, so it should be f1. Yeah. I wrote this before. I just wrote it down really quick, like when. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That should be right.
I'm still trying to find that answer. From what's it called? The thingy.
That's fine. I haven't given these questions the chance to actually do, so it's a bit of a, coming back to.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll find that answer. I'm like looking.
Yeah, no, that's fine. All right. Sub in 1 there. So that equals that. Jojo, you have the answers for this one as well, yeah?
I'm looking. I'll get back to you on that.
So you said you had them. I'm just trying to see
No,
what the
I'm
actual
looking.
question was. Yeah, you said you had them before. So I'm trying to like see what the question actually wants. Determine fx, where I don't think that has any relevance. That's fine. Okay, that equals that.
Oh wait, I put it in the chat, like his working.
Well,
If you
c
wanted
should
to
just
have a
equal
look.
1. No, it's fine. It's fine. Plus +1 on 2. Plus, I assume this is what the question wants, which is just a bit weird. Plus 0 plus c, which equals E3 on 3 plus c. Therefore, c equals 1. I think that's what the question wants. Wait, so Jojo, you didn't have the actual answer for this one? E3x on 3 plus 1 on 2. I swear that's just it. Let me check your working. Yeah, that's just what I have. Yeah. On 3, is that a 3 as well? Or is that a 2? I think that should be a 2, but yeah. Yeah, that's roughly it. The question, like, I was a bit confused with the question because this last part, I don't think it has like anything. I don't think it affects the question. I don't believe the actual answer itself. You can figure it out without that. That's fine. All right, we'll move on to the next one. That's exactly. Yeah, thanks, eh? Oh yeah, you replaced it with 2. Yeah. Meant to be before or after +1. Yeah. Is the other, so it's meant to be, so what I have here, yeah, it's meant to be before the +1. So right here, +1 and 2, ln 3 take 2x, and then that's the absolute value. And then the +1 is just the c value. Yeah. All right, we'll move on to the next one. This question, not too bad. So we know critical points. Pretty sure you guys have dealt with that. So critical point, I'll just explain it. Critical point, basically when x equals 3 and x equals 5. So, and second derivative determines if it's a local max or a local min or global max, global min. Basically, it's just b here. Like -4, it's just a local min, and 5, it's just local max. It's not a hard question, I don't believe. Nothing more than that. Okay, this question, guys would have done these types of questions in like year 10, year 11. I'll just show the working here as well. Okay. Straight line. Straight line. Okay. Line connected there. Okay, so that's basically what the question is. P, Q, R. It's 20, it's 35. 20 kilometers. So basically we're just trying to find, can't really do a dotted line here, but trying to find that distance. And to get that, we can just use the sine rule. You guys would have done that. So A on sine A. It's a weird fraction. Equals B on sine B. We don't really have to replace it with QPR here. It won't really matter. Okay, so A, we'll say it's 35, so 35 on sine A, which we can figure out. So bearing, wait, what's the actual question again? Oh, that. 35. $90. This might be a bit of a convoluted way, but it works. So what's the actual angle? Bearing of 50. So this is 50. Therefore, from the Z rule, we know this is 130. And because this is a right angle, we know that this small angle here is 40 degrees. So therefore, 30. Do they? Well, you could do cos rule here. Oh, they do it like that, yeah. Distance from of R from P. Okay. That is 20. That was 20, yep, and 20. Total is 190. Jojo, do you have the answer for this question as well? Unit 4, topic 2? Jojo.
I think Jojo said she left
She left
to do
okay,
bio.
that's fine.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But I think the answer's A.
The answer's A.
I think so. No, because
the answer. Yeah, no. Sorry, I haven't really had a chance to do it. I've just been trying to get her for the other answer.
Oh, all good.
I mean, yeah, you could probably just do process of elimination here. Like, if you just, I'm trying to kind of work backwards a little bit. Like, it can't be C or D. You just can't do. You could do the sine rule, but like 35. I'd probably even use the cos rule here. Just like process of elimination, it can't really work for any of these except A and B. So I'm just checking A and B right now. Well, I'm actually so stupid. My bad. I was looking at the total distance. I was doing whole cosine rules. My bad. Yeah, no, this is much easier than I thought it was. Yeah, okay. No, I'll go back to this. Yeah. Yeah, based on that, that's just this. I was doing a whole complicated thing with cosine rule. Let's draw a straight line. Yeah, from that, you have that. You have 50. I'll get rid of this line. And then you want to find that as well. Okay, so you're working with that. You're trying to find that. Sine. So, yeah, okay, so sine. No, it's sine. 35. Yeah, okay. And then 50. Yeah, that makes sense. I don't know why I went to cosine rule. I don't know why I was thinking from just straight distance. Okay, and then other one is literally the same thing. Yeah, okay, so 20 sine 20. All right, yeah, that makes sense. That's actually a lot easier than I don't know why I overcomplicated that. Yeah, it's just A. All right, this question's not too bad. Just remember to put yourself in degrees. Otherwise, I think you'll get like around 40-ish, something like that. Okay. I'll try to draw the triangle accurately as well. Okay. Okay, so this is 30. This is 20. This is 40. D, A, B, C. Okay. Okay, this is just Pythagoras. Pythagoras, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Is this a multiple choice? Oh, it is. Okay. We'll just skip that. No, we'll do it anyway. It's a squared plus b squared. We have the hypotenuse, so b squared equals c squared take a squared. B equals square root c squared take a squared. So b for b will let it equal AC, and then we'll also do one for AB equals square root of 30 squared take 20 squared. Square roots of 40 squared take 20 squared. And that just equals root 1200. Should equal 20 root something. Square roots of 20 root 3. And then AB equals 10 root 5. So we're trying to find, if we look at the triangle, ABC, we know that this is right angle. Oh, we did Pythagoras because these are all right angle, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so this is 10 root 5. This is 20 root 3. And from that, we use tan, arctan to figure out what this angle is equal to. So angle, was it ABC? ABC. Yep. Angle ABC equals tan arctan. So opposite is 20 root 3 on 10 roots 5. Now let me label that as well. B, A, C. And then from that, we should get, I believe, around 57. Yeah, approximately like 57. Did everyone else get 57 for that? Oh, is that tech free? Or wait, is that one tech free? How you meant to do? Yeah, how are you? For multiple choice, I don't think they would let you do that tech free. I mean, unless you can figure that out in your head. I don't know about that. Nova, I don't think you guys work with complex numbers. I'm not actually too sure with methods. Tan inverse of 2. So tan arctan. So yeah. Yes, tan inverse -1 of 20 root 3 on 10 root 5. My writing's a bit shocking, but it works. Can't do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you can't do it. Yeah, that's root 5. Yeah, my bad. My writing is shocking. I did get my pen license though, so I don't know how they let me have that. Okay. I think Jojo's getting answers for that one soon. We'll move on to this one for now. We'll come back to the other one. All right, question 13.
Wait, answers for what?
You said you had answers for this one as well?
Oh yeah, I already sent them to you.
Oh, you already sent them to me?
I can like read them out loud if you want, like when you.
No, it's fine. It's fine. We'll check it afterwards. All right, so probability of Z is less than -1.983. It's not too bad. I believe you can just use what is it? Yeah, so on the FX CG50, you go back to menu 2, so statistics, and then you go distribution, norm, and NCD for this one, I believe. And then lower would be, you just do like a really low value, like negative 1,000. Upper, you can do negative 1.983. Standard deviation, you just want to do 1, and then the average, so the mean value, you just do 0. And then you should get a value of 0.0237 for that, like approximately. Yeah. Yeah, it's A. Yeah. All right, we'll move on for that one. All right, this question, not too bad again. All right. What is the value of the sample proportion? Okay, we'll move on to that. So A equals P. Oh, for A, P hat equals 10 on 100. 10 dizzy students, 100 is the N value, which just equals 0.1. For B, the formula, I believe, was the so now it's the likelihood of feeling dizzy. P hat plus or minus. Oh, let me scroll down. P hat plus or minus Z root Z. It should be on your formula sheet as well. Z P hat on 1 take P hat on N. And that just equals CI equals CI. Yep, okay. Calculator, they normally get you to do 1.96, so we'll just do that. I assume this is a calculator question. So yeah, we'll do 1.96 for Z. So P is 0.1 plus. Do we have to find anything else, or is it just an expression? Oh, just an expression. Okay, we can just leave it like that. All right. Margin of error, same thing basically. It's just the second half of the confidence interval. So M equals Z roots P hat 1 take P hat on N. All right. And then final question was, if only 50 people had decided to go on the roller coaster, what would be the effect of the margin of error? So that equals 100. Say if we have roots 1 on 100, that basically equals, we'll just do a value for here, for this, sorry. 1 on 100, 1 on 1 squared on 10 squared equals just 1 on 10. But if you do like root 1 on 50, we'll do that now. Roots 1 on 50 equals 1 on 1 on. Well, okay, we won't do the actual calculations there. But say if you just have a value here, if you have a value for n, the fraction, if you increase the value for n, the fraction will decrease, basically. So that's basically what's saying. Therefore, the square root as well will increase the value after the square root. So yeah, basically, if n increases, margin of error decreases, I believe. Is that? And if n, yeah, because n decreases here, margin of error increases. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry, my bad. Is my AI? All right, we'll go back to another question. Jojo, I just want to check if this question, where was it? Yeah, if that was the answer for the other question. Where was it? Was this one? Okay, let me check if that was the answer. Yeah, okay, that one was right. Okay, yeah, that's fine. All right. we'll go back to this question, yeah? Where is it? Okay. So on your calculator, what you want to do is for the FXCG50, you want to go menu, statistics, and then you want to go to the distribution, you want to go norm, and then you want to go to NCD again. So lower, you can just put 0, like you can't have less than 0 people. Upper, you just put 25,000 as it says. And then the standard deviation, as it says, is 7,800 and 37,000 for the mean. And we just put that value in, we should get probability of 0.062 roughly. That's just a 1-mark question, not too bad. All right, part B, we want to go to the inverse normal. So inv n, whatever it's called. And we want to make the tail go to the right. We want to have an area of 0.2. Same standard deviation in mean, and we should get a value of 43,564. Yeah, 0.64, but just round down to, I'm not too sure. I'm pretty sure you have to round down because you can't have like half a person. I think it should fly by if you have the decimal, but just in case, I'd round down. All right, and then for C, and CD, okay, we'll do the actual working for this one. Oh, no, binomial CD, yeah. Do that. So you want to go distribution and then binomial, which is F5 on this calculator. And then you want to go to BCD. Okay, so lower, again, we just put 0. Okay, assuming they're in. 0, upper, we can do upper as 1. The number, we put 30 for the 30 work days. And then probability, we just put the probability we determined like earlier on from question 1, which was 0.062. And then we can just put that in our calculator and we should get another probability of 0.4373 roughly. Yeah. And we can just leave it like that. There is also another, this is tech free, so I would do it that way, but you can do it algebraically as well. Yeah, I'll be giving you the answers for these. I'm not going to use my working out. We have actual answers for it, so yeah. Can you get a refresh on all the stats content? Can you give a refresher? Nova, if you want me to, I can send you some questions and some answers specifically for statistics. I don't think I have time to actually cover all the statistics stuff today. Yeah, no, that's completely fine. I can give, if anyone wants it, I can give you guys the resources I had that helped me get like a pretty decent result, pretty good result. Pull it up on your cam. Nah, Jojo, they're gonna get around. You said don't leak him, but they're gonna get leaked. They're gonna get leaked. All right. I can do like maybe another 10 minutes. So if you guys have any more questions, just feel free. Yo, no, okay, no. Uncloak. I'm actually going to give you some confidence here. One of my mates had going into the final exam, he had, I think, a 30 out of 50. Like he was almost failing. He kind of clutched up though because of his assignment. That was it. He got a 4 out of 15 on one of the internals and then a 5 out of 15. Oh, sorry, a 7 out of 15 for the other internal. He got lucky with the assignment. He got like 19 or something. I know, but that's actually really good, bro. That's good. Yeah, no, 10, 10, and 17 is good. Like he managed to get, I believe, a 39 on the external. So he should get like, you should be fine, realistically. Double scaling as well is really good. Sheesh. Yeah, you're actually a legal goat. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions, just like send them over. Like, go ahead. I got 50 physics. Nova.